Yes, Dr. Shweta, did you attended yesterday?
नहीं मैम, कल की क्लास नहीं कर पाए थे, मतलब ज्वाइन किया था बट क्लिनिकल पेशेंट थे इसलिए जनरल
Okay,
में
okay.
कंटिन्यू शुरू नहीं पाए
Recording,
थे।
recording ही listen की.
नहीं नहीं मैम, रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं सुन पाए, एक्चुअली थोड़ा बिजी हो
Okay.
गया क्या, रेगुलर हो
Yes,
नहीं पा
yes.
रहा है। यही
Okay,
कंटिन्यू करने
okay.
की कोशिश कर रहे हैं तो इसको।
हाँ, कहीं कभी कभी रिकॉर्डिंग तो सुनना ही पड़ता है, रात को
जी जी
नींद में
जी।
उठ के ही करना पड़ता है, ऐसा ओके।
जी जी मैम, वही करेंगे
एंड
अभी।
हाँ, कैसे भी अगर हमें हमारे पास इंफॉर्मेशन है तो यू whatever you do you need to get that information right now, right? Okay, so
ओके।
any other doctor, can you unmute yourself and let me know about yesterday's takeaway points so that we can continue today, make it faster.
Yeah, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening,
Yeah,
Dr. Jayanti. Batao.
yesterday we have seen male infertility cases. First one is necroazoospermia, that
Hmm.
is dead
Hmm.
sperm cells with
Hmm.
varicocele.
Hmm.
And the main theme or the gist of the case was jealousy for the younger brother,
Hmm.
huh? And
Okay,
which
okay.
he
Hmm.
physically, it was in his mind, subconscious mind, but
Hmm.
physically he was not harming him in any way.
Hmm.
So he
Hmm.
used to
Hmm.
get the dreams that is stabbing his brother
Hmm.
with the knife.
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay? That
So,
was
what was
been
the
told by
point taken at that time? Hmm.
that's what I told you. Physically, it
The
was he was not harming
outrageous
him.
thing, the rage has
Yeah,
outrageous
outrageous.
thing has been
Yeah,
taken
yeah, yeah.
into
Taken, yeah.
rubric. Okay. Yes.
Rubric. So the
The
rage
outrageousness
rubric has been
and the
taken.
dead sperms. Dead
Yeah.
sperms together taken, and Marcusol has been prescribed. Okay, all of that's okay.
Prescribed, yes.
So yesterday's semen analysis, how to read the semen analysis, that also we have discussed yesterday,
See,
right?
yes, yes, yes.
Yes, and some cases in
Yes, ma'am.
Sarkar sir cases also we have
Sarkar
discussed,
sir,
and
myositis.
some Mira Puma, about Mira Puma we have discussed. And today Dr. Punguralli madam has kept a very good mathematical Mira Puma in our group. Just go through it. It was really good. Okay, it's really good.
Yeah.
So now today we will be going to our next case, that is female infertility case. Why we are dealing with this case? She is the wife of that the male dead sperms case. Dead sperms case का wife है ये, so दोनों को तो treat करना पड़ता है ना, इसलिए yesterday we have dealt with the male case and today we are coming to the female case. So yesterday's case, how much time it has taken? At least 1 year has taken to get that necroazoospermia to normal oligospermia or normal azoospermia. Okay. But why it has taken that long time? Because he did not test for that one. Maybe he has been good before also, because he did not test it and we did not change the medicine because of the COVID lockdown. That has taken 1 year. So all this 1 year, the wife has not been treated or she is being partially treated for her low MH levels. So name is not necessary. She is also 37 years and the husband is also 37 years. She is 37 years. So it is more dangerous for the woman to conceive at 37 years. Sperm के लिए इतना problem नहीं है, women के लिए बहुत problem है. And trisomy 21 or any other problems are very common at 37. Okay. And she is also coming from Hyderabad, Uppal. And primary infertility, marital life is 4 years because they have when we have taken the case of the husband, the marital life is about 1.5 years to 2 years. And now when we take in the case of the wife, the marital life become 4 years. That means 2 साल or 1.5 year husband को treat करने में चला गया because of the COVID. Otherwise, I would have taken both of the cases simultaneously. Okay. Physical generals. Appearance moderately built, smiling, positive person, dark complexion. Menses irregular, heavy or scanty, delayed or early, spotting or intermenstrual often. Taking allopathic treatment, one attempt IUI did not help, one attempt IVF did not help. So mental general, slightly depressed due to social response of not having children. Systemic examination, NAD, local examination, nothing specific. Lab reports, AMH hormone low, FSH is also low, TSH normal, no diabetes, scan abdomen, bulky uterus with intramural fibroid and endometriotic cyst. So we are having here complications for pregnancy. Okay. So got it till now? Till now clear? Or should I repeat? Everybody till now clear? Yes. Yeah. Okay. So now what happened? Uh, so now the AMH is low, the FSH is also low, but her thyroid is normal. She doesn't have diabetes. So why did I mention diabetes? Because she is early pregnancy and all. No, sorry, delayed pregnancy, and also the FSH is more. When FSH is more, there will be necessarily PCOD or hormone follicles are increased, or either fibroids will be there. So uterus or ovaries, anyone is will be affected. So in that line, insulin resistance and diabetes will be there. So that is why I have inquired about diabetes, and it is also not there. But scan abdomen is showing us bulky uterus, an intramural fibroid, and endometriotic cyst. Okay, endometriotic cyst is the what is endometriosis? Can anyone in single line?
Endometrium growing myometrium
Yeah, endometrium growing
above the
above the myometrium or outside the uterus also. Endometrium growing outside the uterus. Outside the uterus in ovaries or in between uterus and ovary or in the rectum sometimes like that. So wherever endometrium is there, it will be secreting. It will be bleeding. So the blood will be captured in between the organs and that becomes septic and that will be a highly painful condition and also high sometimes it will be surgical but homeopathic medicines are very 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 good in endometriosis. I will tell you one case also for endometriosis now. So primary infertility with DUB, this is the discussion. So what would be the remedy prescribed? So here this is what we heard here. What are all the symptoms? Her physical generals are her age. First is the age, 37. Okay, her FSH is low, AMH is low, but no thyroid reports. She is a dark complexion lady, moderately built. That means she is not thin or heavy, but she is a smiling and positive person. That we need to know. And irregular, menses is irregular. Heavy menses or scanty menses. Delayed menses or early menses. Spotting or intermenstrual bleeding. So, allopathy medicine also taken, IUA and IVF also tried. Right now, slightly depressed. That is common. So, your uterus is a bulky uterus and intramural fibroid is there with an endometriotic cyst. So, what could be the remedy or what is our approach first? Let us know. Let me know. Let me know fastly. If you respond fast, we can wind up very fast.
For fibroids, we can start with mother tinctures
Mm-hmm.
and specific remedies, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
Like we have aurum natorum, right?
AMN, Aurum naternatum. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
No, what do you mean to say? We need to touch the fibroid first, right?
That's
We
what,
need to
ma'am.
treat the.
Yeah. For fibroids only, I'm talking about.
Hmm.
Specific
Why did
remedy
you?
and mother tincture
No,
we
no,
can
no.
start with.
Oh, okay, we start for fibroid. That is your idea, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then, Madam Bhavna, Madam, or do you want to speak?
Yeah, I was saying if we can go with the constitutional medicine like dark complexion, smiling face. I think
Hmm.
graphites, if you can, I
Hmm.
don't know.
But she is moderately built, Madam. She is moderately built. Her menses is heavy. It is early also. It is not only delayed, it is early also.
See,
It is.
slowness is there. See, everything is slow because pregnancy is not there of the age. Age is like, 37.
Yes, yes, yes,
So
yes. Yeah.
slowness is also there. So even the graphites
Slowness is
doesn't.
there. Yes, yeah, graphite is slow, but here it is delayed or early, madam. That means it is both of the graphites may only delayed रहता है, slow constitution रहता है, and she should be necessarily like a male personality. Necessarily heavyweight should be there, constipation should be there, chilliness
Constipation
should be
में
there.
but yeah, because smiling ना little थोड़ा ऐसे रहते हैं, like I don't know, but ठीक है, of course constipation तो definitely रहना चाहिए.
Constipation and the patient should be chilly also.
Yeah.
She should herself tell that she is chilly. Here I did not mention thermals. That means she did not mention anything like that. So that is why, as basically, she is not a physical constitution is not of graphites. That's why it's not thought of. Okay, and
Okay.
she is a positive person, and that's what smiling positive person. Okay, and okay, and so these are and actually she's moderately built, positive person, dark complexion. these are not a high grade symptoms, madam, because these are all common symptoms. So if we don't have any symptom, then we will go by these common symptoms. So doesn't we have any other specific symptoms in this case? Don't we have any syphilitic symptoms in this case? Need to attend right away, we need to attend like that symptoms are not there means then we will go with all those complexion, positive, everything. So take the case again. Are there any urgent to attend symptoms in this case? That is what we need to see, na, first. So for every case, we should not go with constitution. First, we need to see what are the most syphilitic symptoms in the case. Anyone?
Main is, I think, endometriosis has to be cured first.
Yes, madam. Yes. Okay, so the endometriotic cyst is there, but endometriotic cyst means it is in one place only. It did not spread it. Okay, so endometriotics is in psychosyphilitic. It is one in one cystic space. Okay, psychosyphilitic. It is not completely syphilitic. Fibroid is completely psychotic. So you should not touch a fibroid, madam, in the beginning. Okay, and uterus, bulky uterus is soric. Bulky uterus means swelling is there. It could be sauropsychotic. So all these symptoms are only we need to, and the AMH is completely low. FSH is low. These are the syphilitic complaints. So these are to be attended first. So first we need to go with the either with the constitution because constitutional complaints are not that much heavy now. So we need to go with the pathological symptoms. What is the pathology? The menses is scanty or delayed, heavy or this one intermenstrual is there, spotting and intermenstrual. In all these expression, the intermenstrual thing is the syphilitic one. So when the periods have come, menses could be heavy or scanty, delayed or early, but it should not be in between two periods. Two periods के बीच में आके चले जाना. So this is quite not natural. So that also to be taken care. So then what we are doing? Remedy prescribed is, can anyone? These are all completely specific remedies. Yes. Yeah, Pungurali madam. Good evening. You joined so late. Okay. Thank you for the Mira PMA Metri Medica, madam. I have read right just now. Okay. And the diagnosis, remedy prescribed. Yes, Dr. Jayanti.
Pulsatilla, ma'am.
It's okay. Okay, you are taking about the scanty, delayed, spotting, this and like that, right? No,
Yeah.
it's not pulsatilla. It's not pulsatilla. It is dark complexion. Pulsatilla will be blonde. Okay. So pulsatilla will be blonde. If you want to see the pathological symptoms, you need to take the constitution physical also. Okay. The remedy prescribed is Sabina 200. Maybe because she is having all the psychotic miasm. The fibroids are psychotic, the endometriotic psychosyphilitic, the bulky uterus psychosoric. So psychotic is predominant. Okay. So psychotic is predominant. I wanted to start the case with an antipsychotic remedy, but since the bleeding is there, Sabina is also from Tuja family, and she is also moderately built. Huh? So that is why what we have, and Sabina is a positive lady. Or Tuja antimasmatic means to what it will not reveal itself. लोग अंदर एक बाहर एक ऐसा रहता है. So Tuja generally says all about spiritualism, but in the inside of it, it will all think about the sexualism. So that is what psychotic miasm is. So here first I have started with Sabina 200 because it is seen in the intermenstrual bleeding and all the bleeding discharges also. That means it will attend the presenting complaint and it will also attend the miasm. So दोनों एक ही शॉट में हो जाते हैं. So 3 doses has been given, followed by Tuja one dose for her antipsychotic also. To have that more psychotic miasm also, I have given Tuja one dose. And again, what could be the mother tinctures here? Can anyone? What could be the mother tinctures and what could be the
Fraxinus Americans.
Fraxinus americanus? Okay, we'll take that also afterwards. And what more?
Ashoka.
Okay, and what more?
Gossipium.
All of these are for your bleeding disorder, right, madam?
Yeah, for all
Collapse,
mentioned.
everything is
Yeah.
there bleeding. For bleeding, we have given Sabina, na. So why we are
Yeah.
giving mother tinctures to attend the associated symptoms, right? Mother tinctures and triturations or any small remedies. Why we are giving to support the main remedy and also to attend the associated symptoms. Either maybe the parallel symptoms, either maybe the hormonal symptoms, either maybe. So here what is there? Fraxinus is for fibroid. What we thought that we should not touch the fibroid. So first fibroid is psychotic, na. So psychotic will be dealt with afterwards. Of course, we are dealing with it's a strong psychotic miasm only, but not with fibroid now. So first we have prescribed the main remedy for fibroid, for bleeding and everything. We have prescribed the main remedy. So the associated remedy should attend the other conditions. What are the other conditions seen here? What are the other conditions seen, madam? I have already repeated the case twice. Tara, again you have nailed. Apis is good for not for endometriotic cyst actually. Apis is
First
good for
endometriosis.
bulky uterus. Bulky uterus के लिए apis is there. So apis mother tincture में दी थी because apis is quite pseudosyphilitic, so it will not attend the psychotic nature. Bulky uterus swelling is there, so that is why we have given apis in mother tincture form. Apis mother tincture is there. Then what is there? Then what is there? AMH is low, madam. FSH is low. For AMH, Tuja is there. For AMH low, as I've already told you, antimiasmatic Tuja will working for AMH. In our previous cases also, we have seen AMH increasing with Tuja, right? Tuja 1M. So Tuja already prescribed. That means the AMH low is attended at the same time with the fibroid. The FSH is low, no? FSH means what? Follicle stimulating hormone. It is quite low. Either I should have given FSH directly, or at that time I did not have FSH with me. So what will I give now? What will I give in place of FSH for follicles? अरे इतना easy question है.
Polyquilinum.
Yes, folliculinum 30. Folliculinum 30, not estrogen, madam. It is folliculinum 30. Because estrogen is not quite proven the remedy compared to folliculinum. Folliculinum is well proven remedy. So estrogen के जगह we will be preferring uferinum. Uferinum is most proven than estrogen. Estrogen we will give only when synthetic estrogen is taken more and there are side effects of synthetic estrogen. Then we will prescribe estrogen hormone because it is a SAR code to be given. Okay, here we are having FSH low. So folliculinum 35 doses to be taken from 3rd day to 7th day of menses. So this is what is the prescription. And what for the estrogen? Again, I have given for the estrogen also. Why? Why estrogen first? Fibroids are there. So estrogen and progesterone will be more. After fibroid, the progesterone will increase. But to form the fibroid, the estrogen will increase. For what estrogen? Amme Visnaga. You all have forgot, huh? Amme Visnaga Q is there for estrogen, right? I have already told you. So Apis mother tincture for the bulky uterus, Amme Visnaga mother tincture for the estrogen issues, Folliculinum 30 for the FSH problem, and Sabina 200 for the main pathological issues, and Tuja 1M for the AMH hormone. So everything are attended right at the beginning. Then what happened? Then what happened? I have changed the potency. So I have not given in Apis and Amme Visnaga, I have given in mother tincture form. Folliculinum I have given in 30 potency and main medicine in 200 potency and antimiasmatic in 1M potency. So this is what I have maintained the case. Okay. Then follow up. So follow up, she has come in February 2021. Follow up. So after 2 to 3 months, I think. So, or after 1 month. So the date is, I think I'm forgetting the date before also. This is Jan 1st, 2021. Yes, this was the New Year case. This was the first case in 2021 New Year for me. So I thought, oh, this New Year has opened with infertility cases. So I may be successful in infertility cases, and that happened like that. 2021, I had 7 successful infertility cases at a single row. Okay, that has improved my name in all the other gynec faculties. So because in the next lane of my house, some other Dr. Padmaja is there. She is an allopathic infertility specialist. So all the way she will be contacting me. Her failures are coming to me, and my earlier cases are going to her, like that, for this one. So that 7 cases at the same row has improved my, what is we call reputation. So then, in January 1st in 2021, she has come. Again, she has seen in February 3rd, after 1 month. So what is the follow-up? Menses at the right time. Please note all the follow-up very carefully. Then you can know the prescription, the value of the first prescription. Menses at the right time, because it is not changing. Spotting not at all seen. That means intermenstrual bleeding is not there. That means the syphilitic symptom has gone. That means the medicine may be in the right direction. Discharge is normal. Not heavy, not early, not delay, not scanty. Okay. So all the symptoms of the menses have been attended. That means the menses is regular. It is not scanty or delayed. It is not scanty or early. It is not delayed or early. It is not scanty or heavy. It is not spotting, and intermenstrual bleeding is not seen. Okay. So that means all the pathological issues of the physical complaint, menstruation, physical general menstruation have been cleared. So then what? Then what? Then what could be the prescription? Then what could be the prescription? Here you need to learn something. That is why I am waiting. Then what could be the prescription? Generally, come out fast, come out fast. Anything. You should not worry, madam. Anything, whatever comes in your mind, you let me know. Make it faster. SL, okay. SL is also good. But here, Dr. Angeline, we need to see her age is 37.
Yes, ma'am.
So, 37, na? So,
Yeah.
SL dena or wait karna is not that much advisable. Whenever we are
Okay.
so confident, then only we need to. Because we are
Okay.
dealing with one physical general. We are not dealing with the constitution yet, right? Complete
Yes.
constitution nahi aaya. इसीलिए हम we are not confident with SL now. So we need to
Yeah.
use some more medication. That is what is our understanding. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Any other inputs, please? Any other inputs? Repeat anti-miasmatic. Okay. What medicine should be given, madam? Date Nicole Karni, madam. Anti-miasmatic. Rightly said. What medicine we should be given?
Tuja can be repeated, ma'am.
No. That means it is psychotic. No. Psychotic miasm has already been addressed. Okay. That is why the discharge is normal. The discharge, everything is normal. Spotting is not seen. That means the syphilitic miasm symptoms are already answered. The psychotic are also answered. Then we need to give the antisoric miasmatic remedy.
Sulfur.
Sulfur. Only to improve the Sabina's potency again. Only to improve the Sabina's action. That's all. We want to improve Sabina's action to stay for 1 more month or 2 more months. So, because her age is very high, we need not wait for SL. So, directly sulfur 200, 3 doses has been prescribed daily morning 1 dose. Sulfur should not be given in the night time. So, daily morning 1 dose, only 3 doses, that too 200 potency only. No, because still the case is in psychopsoriatic or psychosyphilitic, only 200 potency is prescribed. Then what about the mother tinctures? Can anyone? What about the mother tinctures? Earlier we have given Apis Q and Ami Vishnaga Q. Now what should we continue? We could continue the same or we need to change it. And what about the folliculinum? We need to continue or we need to change or we need to stop? Fast.
We can continue and we can check with follicular study.
Follicular study not done, madam, because these
Okay.
patients, they are not cooperative. Okay.
Okay.
Then we are not having that much symptoms with us.
Okay.
So what we need to think here, maybe we did not do the scanning also immediately next month only now. So we did not do the scanning. So what we are supposing, because the menstrual condition is normal, the pathology is normal, we are supposing that the endometriotic cyst is may be answered. Okay. The fibroid may also be answered because we have given Tuja. So maybe the fibroid is there, but that causative factor of the fibroid may be answered. So the soric we are giving in antisoric. The soric symptom is the bulky uterus here. So compared to all the other symptoms, the bulky uterus is quite sauropsychotic. So the Apis Q is continued, but what the period is in the right time, and it is not scanty or delay heavy. That means the estrogen is normal. Why estrogen is prescribed before? The spotting is there. The spotting is there, spotting and continuous. That is estrogen symptom. Na? Estrogen, if it is heavy, the spotting will be continued. So that is why if the spotting is not seen. So we have stopped Amme Visnaga, and since we need to have the follicle range maturing and progesterone is necessary now, we have started on Viburnum prunifolium. That is the after Amme Visnaga, our default medication is Viburnum prunifolium, right? Apis, Viburnum, and this Amme Visnaga. These three are the main mother tinctures to be given in first 6 months time. Okay. So Viburnum prunifolium mother tincture has started. Apis mother tincture continued. Folliculinum also continued. Why to continue folliculinum? Why to continue? Because we did not check it about FSH again, and we did not know that this is an ovulatory cycle or anovulatory cycle, because we did not do any follicular study. So for the next cycle also we have continued folliculinum 30. Okay. Then what? Then again she came on June. That is what is the February के बाद June नहीं आए थे, because it is the second lockdown or something there at that time. So 4 months के बाद आई, say 8/6/2021. So the LMP was 7/6/2021. That means on the second day of period she came to me. Okay. On the second day of period she came to me. Scanty menses due to irregular intake of medicine. Medicine को तो irregular हो गया, इसीलिए menses again became scanty. AMH is low, but FSH, progesterone all became normal. Please note this point. Please note this point. Okay. 6 महीने मेडिसिन ही नहीं है और सेकेंड डे के पीरियड में वो आई थी टेस्ट करके. FSH is normal, progesterone normal. Okay. And AMH is quite low. AMH is again low. So prescribed Tuja 1M 1 dose and Viburnum prunifolium. Okay. Viburnum prunifolium इसका प्रोजेस्टेरोन को भी नॉर्मल कर दिया. FSH folliculinum इसके FSH भी नॉर्मल कर दिया और scanty menses is still there. That means we need to prescribe the main medicine now. We need to prescribe the main medicine. What is the main medicine? Sabina. But because it is scanty menses, it is not heavy menses. If at all we give Sabina, the menses will begin again scanty हो जाता है. इसीलिए the antimiasmatic which we have given Tuja 1M has been repeated one more time. And Viburnum prunifolium Q and folliculinum 30 have been repeated. Okay. And scan abdomen is, now she has done about the scan abdomen. Only small fibroids are there now. Endometriotic cyst completely decreased in size. Okay. Only small fibroids are there now. The fibroids have intramural fibroids इतना बड़े थे, वो सब continue, वो सब decrease हो गए. So I will read out the size of these also. Wait, this one is very low. Small letters are there. I will just keep a torch and read it for you. The scan report. First scan report was bulky uterus with an intrauterine. One second. I will read out the. Yes, bulky uterus is 99, 47, 50. इतना बड़ा uterus था. और 31 into 25 intramural fibroid is into 31 into 25. That means इतना 3 सेंटीमीटर से 2.5 सेंटीमीटर है. 1 सेंटीमीटर बढ़ गया तो एलोपैथी लोग सर्जरी बोलेंगे. And here it is 3 centimeters into 2.5 centimeters. Quite a big fibroid. Simply the size of a lemon. Okay. And the endometrium thickness is also 7.2 mm. That also we need to know in the scan report. So did anybody know how to read the scan report? Gynecological scan report? So that we will let you know now. So the endometrial thickness, that is where the spotting is happening. Endometrial thickness ज़्यादा हो गया तो progesterone is increased. We need to decrease the progesterone. Progesterone normal हो गया तो endometrial thickness भी normal हो जाएगी. Spotting भी कम हो जाएगी. Okay. There is free fluid in the peritoneal cavity. That is what is called this one. What is called lymphadenopathy is also there. Bulky uterus with fibroid as described above, and the infiltration of the endometriotic cyst is seen in the first scan. But now the second scan is the infiltration has completely gone down, and the AMH hormone is 1.1. So if it is little 2 also, it is happening. It is good with us. It is good with us. If it is 2 also, that means the AMH is little bit improving than before. But The scan is also improved. There is no mention about the endometriotic cyst is not at all mentioned now. That means it has completely gone. The PV, that PV or transvaginal scan also showing that the intramural fibroid is only 27 centimeters now. That means 3.1, 31 से 27 हो गया. 27 into 20. That means it has decreased. And the enlargement of the uterus is completely decreased. And the endometriotic cyst is completely lost. Okay, that means it is completely gone. The left ovary is completely normal. Right ovary is also completely normal. This is from the transvaginal scan. Okay, transabdominal bulky uterus is seen. That's all. AMH is 1.1, and the case is ongoing. The case is ongoing whenever I have submitted this thesis. So in this case, even though the AMH levels did not improve yet, the FSH, the estrogen, the progesterone levels are consistently improving, and her menstrual pattern became normal, and her mindset. This is what is our important symptom now. Her mindset also improved. That means she is ready to conceive now. The case is ongoing at that time. But afterwards, I have learned that these people have stopped the medication. I don't think that they have conceived after that because I don't have information at that time. So what happened? They are continuously going on. That means her mother has been gone surgery for anal fistula. She did not tell me. She went for surgery, and after that, the fistula surgery has been. After surgery, also the fistula has gone into inside. Then she came to me again. Then she told that the family has been separated because the elder brother and her wife are not good with the family. So we don't know about they are conceived or not, like that. So that what had happened in the case. So I really don't know that whether she conceived or not. She may have conceived or may not. But what with our medication, the AMH levels are quite improving. It not completely improved, but the FSH, estrogen, progesterone levels are consistently improving. The fibroid size completely 3 centimeters completely came to 2 centimeters now, and her endometriotic cyst completely lost, completely disappeared. The bulky uterus size has completely 90 centimeters uterus has completely come into 40 centimeters uterus. So that itself is 90% improvement is seen. Unfortunately, that case has been not continued with us, so we didn't know that one. So other learned cases I will be telling you now from other doctors. And yesterday, one male doctor is asking me, why, madam, you are keeping it only for females? We will also join. We are also good with the infertility cases, something like that. So I said that, no, sir, this is for only females. Let me know about your cases. I will discuss with my fellow mates. So he has discussed some cases because he is practicing in the interior rural areas of Rayalaseema in Andhra Pradesh. So that is very challenging. They doesn't have any reports, or they doesn't get the reports fastly, or they doesn't understand what is FSH or what is anything. They just give the money. They just want the fertility. That's all. If you give fertility, they are good. If you don't give fertility, they will be wild with you. That is the stress in rural areas practicing. If you give fertility, they will give so much of money. Whatever you ask, they will give. But if you fail, they will kill you. Or they will harm you. So that is the state. All or none. Syphilitic state or acute miasm state, that one. So what he told now, so one male person has come with smoking and alcohol habits. So for and gutka habits. So he immediately stopped them because for the semen content. Semen is as low as 4 millions. But after medication, just one medication, I think that is because the vas difference is blocked there. The prostate is enlarged with 30 years of age, the prostate is enlarged. The vas difference is blocked. The semen is not going inside there, and the testes are swollen because the semen is not going there. And these are all the conditions. And it is a physical anatomical condition actually. But he has given, I think, lycopodium 200 single dose. The varicocele complaint, the prostate has decreased, the sperms, the testis swelling decreased, the vas difference block is cleared, the sperms have been reaching the testicles, and the sperms have been reaching their place. And the count has increased from 4 to 72 million in only 1 month. In only 1 month. 4 million to 72 million with lycopodium. How did you choose lycopodium, sir? Nothing. Only the vas difference is blocked. That is the constitutional symptom in lycopodium. Anatomical difference. Why is it blocked? because, and even though it is blocked, he is good because the lycopodium will be waiting. I already said the lycopodium is a spore, so it will be waiting for the favorable situation. Even though there is anatomical condition, the patient is quite normal. He is waiting, and he says that okay, I will be conceiving. I'm only 30, like that. So when scan is done, the everything has been done. So lycopodium cured one case. That is one case. And one more lady has come. She is having cracked feet. She is having cracked feet. She is like a dark complexion and very obese in weight. And she is chilly. And that's all. Only cracked complex feet. Her menses is regular and everything is regular. But graphite is selected for her. Graphite is 200 single dose or 3 doses maybe. 3 doses in 1 month and next month 3 doses has cured her of her infertility also. She has come for infertility only, but cracked feet has been taken as the symptom. This is how we can crack the infertility cases with single or 1 or 2 symptoms also. Okay, graphitis is given within third month she conceived. Within third month she conceived. Till that time, she has not been conceiving past 3 or 4 or 5 years. She has taken all other medications, IVF, IVU also. But within third month of graphitis, she conceived. What do you say with this? There is no need to go depth into the case. Actually, this is constitutional only, graphitis for her. But the constitutional is dealt with 1 or 2 symptoms only. This is the art of homeopathy. This we need to know. Okay, that is why we need to learn certain cases. And one more case he explained. These two I remember. And one more case he explained about. I have learned one case of tubal blocks. No, he said tubal block. He said one case of tubal block. That senior doctor tubal block. So what did he say? Na tubal block is there. I have given silesia. Why did actually tubal block medicine is silesia only, but he doesn't know about silesia at that time, but he's given silesia. So on what ground you have given silesia, sir? No, it is surgical knife, that's all. Silesia is a surgical knife. That is one point is there in our Kent Veterinary Medica. Wherever you want to you want to use a knife and you want to clear, you want to cut that and you want to remove that, there silesia will be acting. This is our first BHMS knowledge actually. We are all having first year BHMS में वैसा ही silesia को हमें सिखाते हैं. That we all had forgotten. So what he thought na, tubal block is in a surgical condition. I'll give silesia. That's all. 200 with silesia. After 2 months, the block has completely cleared and she conceived. I was really wondered with that case. I know silesia for tubal block, but I would be given in 6X or something. I will be going into the constitutional, everything like that. So I was really mesmerized with this one, and that's why I am explaining to you. So silesia has cleared the tubal block, which is otherwise a surgical condition, which is otherwise a condition where an allopathic doctor may be reaping lakhs of rupees. Simple. Silesia has been cleared that case, okay? And that is one case. And the other case, what he has explained me, he will be using Murapuma. That doctor only has let me know about Murapuma to increase the semen content, to increase the desire and everything. And Murapuma, I have given for one patient with kidney problems, CKD, chronic CKD. इतना CKD है कि जब भी डॉक्टर जाते हैं he will advise him for dialysis. अभी इतना भी थोड़ा गया तो we will give dialysis. But he is not having that stage. He is not coming to that stage since 4 years. He is very good at homeopathy. That is what the chronic kidney specialist doctor is very much worried about. He will be just walking in with his wife, discussing regular political issues, everything he will be discussing, like he is a quite happy person with homeopathy. So the CKD is like that. The creatinine is 2 only, and he is having most anatomical complaints are there. But he is surviving since 4 years very happily. He is eating everything, whatever vegetarian he likes. But he is having sexual desire also. For that ED complaint, erectile dysfunction, he will be asking for me every time. I'll ask her, your wife is also interested? Yes, madam, she is also interested. He is 70 years, but he is looking 60. His wife is 60 years, he will be looking 50. Both are happy. So I have given Murapuma for him. First I have given Damia, Forta, everything, Damia, Graph, Schwab, ASBL. It didn't help him. Then I have given my personal combination, AAA-GY, that is Agnes, Yohimbinum, ginseng, acid phos, everything will be mixed and will be giving one mother tincture in infertility issues. Then that also didn't work. Then simply I have given Mirapuma. That did work with wonders with him. His ED has come down. His desire has been increased. I don't know that can be given to the wife also. Just now with the Metrimedica, I have seen with Dr. Tungurali's Metrimedica. So I will give that for the wife also. So whenever you want to give the same liquid for the wife, don't ask them to give the same liquid to wife also. Don't do that. Don't do that ever. What he thinks, na, oh, this is increasing my testosterone. If I give this to my wife, my wife's testosterone also increases. How could she come? Her estrogen will be increased. That would be the level of the patient. So just give another bottle with another label. Don't give the Mirapuma name. You give Mirapuma only, but you give some other name on that one, some other your personal name, or give the patient's name on that one. This is my personal combination. I don't want to reveal the formula. So I have given the patient's name on that one. Just like you can manage it. But don't ask the person, yeah, you are having Mirapumana, you share that to your wife also. Don't do that. Don't do that ever. It won't work also. Even though the drug is same, it won't work like that, okay? Because the patient mind will not be allowing it to work. So that is one takeaway point, I suppose, okay? Then there is another case of oligoangiospermia. This is a learning case for me. This is not my case. So male age is of 32 years with primary infertility, 4 years marital life. So sperm count is only 7 million and they have progressive motility is 10%, actively motile 25%, immotile is 65%. That is oligoangiospermia. Oligo means less one, less quantity, 7 million. Okay. Desire is warm food and drinks, thermally hot. What could have been given? Thermally hot, warm food and drinks. I think I have read this case yesterday only.
Lycopodium.
Okay. Lycopodium. Right. You remember very well. Lycopodium 200, selenium 3x, Tuja mother tincture. And in the second, after 3 months, Medorinum 1 is given, Silicea 6x is given. After 6 months, the lady became pregnant. So I have read already all these cases, and out of the box question case one I will read from my book. Then after my thesis is this is the last case in my thesis out of the box question, and after that I will let you know my very recent cases. These are all 2021, 2025, 2024 cases I will tell you, and after that I will tell you about some adenomyosis and endometriosis cases. Then we will go for the theory part if time is there. Okay. And to read about the scan report. Okay. So this is one out of the box case. I have been very much impressed with this case. So this I have entered into my thesis. The following are the two interesting cases I learned where the medicines are prescribed by thinking out of the box. This is the heading. This is a case of semen analysis, the case of a toilet cleaner in USA. My senior doctor, he is practicing in Dubai. He is treating a patient in USA. So he revealed this case. I think Dr. Rashid or some other. We know this doctor very well. So I don't remember the name. So this is a case of a toilet cleaner in USA. What he said, na, semen analysis is showing normal count and normal motility, but sperms are with abnormal tails. This is what is the important phenomenon. Abnormal tails. Till now, what we have seen? Abnormal head defects, right? The head is not able to pierce the egg. But here, what we said, the semen is having head, body, and tail, right? If the tail is abnormal, what happens generally? If the tail is abnormal, what happens generally? The sperm is not able to move. Motility will be disturbed. Here, what I said, motility is also normal, but it's not heavy, it is normal, but it is having abnormal tails. After all the traditional treatment goes in vain, the homeopath treating him thinks out of the box. This is what is the एलोपैथी हो गया, आयुर्वेदिक हो गया, यूनानी हो गया, होम्योपैथी भी हो गया, फिर भी he did not drink. Then the homeopathy doctor has thought, no, I should think now out of the box. Okay, what could be the out of the box situation here? What should I go with? He thinks it could be because of inhalation of chlorine daily. Okay, I have already said he is a toilet cleaner. So what he will be doing? He will be doing with the phenol, he will be doing with all the acid. So daily he will be, after opening the lid, he will be inhaling the chlorine. So what did he say? Okay, he is inhaling the chlorine daily. So he prescribed what could be the drug? क्लोरीन के लिए क्या ड्रग है हमारे पास?
Chloroform.
No.
Chlorine.
What is the chlorine main drug for us? Our polycrest of chlorine.
Muriatic acid.
Muriatic acid is acid, madam. So that is chloric
Chlorinum.
acid.
Yes, ma'am. Hypochlorinum one drug is there.
No.
Mm.
I know you all will be willing going either and there. Now I'm feeling happy that you are not answering. Not Tara. Yes. Now it is not Tara, I think. It is Alpa. Yes, Dr. Alpa. You are very right. I think you are also, you did heard this case or what?
No, I haven't
No.
heard this case.
Yes. That is Natrum muriaticum, Tara. You are not up to the point today. So,
I missed, ma'am.
sodium chloride. Yes, you missed it. That's why I'm happy. Okay. No problem. So, Natrum muriaticum, that is sodium chloride. But what happened, Nothing is, no success is seen. No success is seen. Then what would we think now? Again, you think with all of chlorine, chloroform, muriatic acid, everything? No. The doctor tried with Kali muriaticum. So he is simply mingling with the third row and fourth row. Kali muriaticum. What did it happen? Still no improvement is seen. Then this homeopath really got interested into this case. अरे इसको तो जैसे भी crack करना है. So then while going, he has been referring to all the repertories, all the mathematicas. So he has thrown away all his cases. Now his real interest has been into this. Now he is referring into the mathematicas. Now when he is referring into the Farrington's Clinical Materia Medica, page number 511. This also you can see. Farrington's Clinical Materia Medica, page number 511. He found the following point. Chlorine is also indicated in impotence, but when the impotence has been produced by inhaling the fumes of chlorine, shall I reveal the drug now? Lycopodium is the proper antidote. कितना अच्छा लिखा है ना Farrington. This is the exact situation of the case, right? This is what is our power of our elderly physicians of homeopathy. That is why we need to read every book, each and every book. ऐसा read करते ही जाना है, जिंदगी भर पढ़ना है हमें. Okay? Farrington's Clinical Materia Medica में इसको ऐसा point निकला था, chlorine is indicated in impotence. That means already chlorine is very good in impotence. That means all the muriaticums are very good in impotence, in the male impotence. Okay? Because muriaticums, what we will think, muriaticums are related to the mother. But muriaticums are very good in the male impotence because it is chlorine. But here what he did, but if the chlorine is inhaled, and that is why he is becoming impotent, then the proper fumes of chlorine, inhaling fumes of chlorine, then the proper antidote for the fumes of chlorine is lycopodium. So itna acha tha na, that is the perfect suitable case for him. So situation for him. Lycopodium is the proper antidote. So he prescribed lycopodium 200 to that patient. Thereafter, he successfully conceived. पहले lycopodium नहीं दिया था because he is not in the case of lycopodium. That is only the symptom is inhaling of chlorine. So कोई हम ऐसा भी हमें देखना है. Okay? That means his occupational disorder. Daily he is a toilet cleaner. So he is inhaling the chlorine fumes. So he has given Natramur, Calimur, nothing happened. Then when Farrington Materia Medica में inhaling of chlorine fumes is proper antidote is lycopodium. Then lycopodium 200 given, single dose. Thereafter he conceived. So that is one out of the box thinking, right? Excited? So shall we go for the second out of the box case? Yes. So another case is cured by the study of dash drug. That I will tell you. Okay. A case of hypospermatogenesis. This is really, Dr. Sripya, fine. So a case of hypospermatogenesis. That means the spermatogenesis is hypo. It is not the sperm count. The genesis of sperms are only, it is hypo, that is decreased spermatogenesis. Where DNA fragmentation, why decreased spermatogenesis? The DNA is not good. All this will come in male infertility study. How would be the sperm will come? Where will be the vast difference? The epididymitis, the testosterone, the testicle, the spermatogenesis, spermatova, spermatozoa, everything will come in the male infertility session. A case of hypospermatogenesis where DNA fragmentation is 80%. उसका डीएनए ही फ्रैगमेंट हो गया तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं 80% डीएनए दैट मीन दिस इज कंप्लीटली ए जेनेटिक कंडीशन leading to apoptosis. Okay, the insect feeding on cotton plants. Okay, that is different. Okay, apoptosis हो गया था. So 80% DNA fragmentation is हो गया था. So he is having hypospermatogenesis. That is why there are no sperms. Even though the sperms are there, they are very not genetically good. So what happened? He is having continuous infertility. So क्या करना है इसमें? I think you have already got the drug, na? Because I have leaked the drug. Did you got the drug now? Because I have read one line accidentally. No, you didn't catch that line. So here the out of the box study is the insect feeding on cotton plants cannot have progeny till it is feeding on the plant. It can get it back again only when it stops feeding on it. So actually, gossypium is prescribed in female infertility where the menses is tardy and feels like about to set in but not seen. So applying this principle to spermatogenesis where the sperms are looking to develop but not due to DNA fragmentation. So the prescribing gossypium mother tincture to that patient helped him to conceive. This understanding helped me very much to think about the out of the box in many cases. This is really out of the box prescription. What he observed, he observed about gossypium. I don't know why he observed gossypium. So what he observed, gossypium plant में जो insect बढ़ता है, gossypium leaves देखने वाला, leaves खाने वाला insect जो रहता है, that is like our butterflies before. What is that? Worm. So that worm is not able to conceive till it is feeding on the insect, till it is feeding on the leaves. That is what is the observation. When it stops feeding on the gossypium leaves, then it is conceiving. The worm. Again, when it is feeding, then it is not conceiving. This is the observation. Then the study is that the gossypium is not helping, is preventing the insect to conceive, the male insect to conceive. Okay. वैसे भी हमें what is the important symptom in gossypium? Female infertility will give na. Gossypium's important symptom is the menses is just like to appear. The patient says that I have all the premenstrual symptoms, madam. I'm having cramps, I'm having acne, I'm having hair fall, or I'm having this and that. In the next hour, I may get the period. I may get the period in the next hour. But the period won't come for 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks also. Every day she is having the same symptom. अरे आज नहीं तो कल नहीं तो कल परसों नहीं तो वैसा अभी आने वाला जैसा लगता है मैडम. The period is looking that it may menstruate in the next hour, but it is not coming. That is the keynote symptom of gossypium. So that symptom has been applied here. That means the sperms are very good. They are ready to fertilate. But whenever it is feeding on the leaves, the DNA is getting fragmented. The sperms are going back. The spermatogenesis is going back. And whenever it stops feeding, again its natural component is coming. That means that it is not permanently damaging. It is damaging only while it is eating them. That same point is applied here. And that male fellow is given gossypium mother tincture, not in potencies. Because this is out of the box observation. So he wanted to give in mother tincture to be on the safe side. So gossypium mother tincture has been given. And 1 month or 2 months or 3 months, only that is the medication, nothing is given. He conceived. So this is really an understanding. So after that case, so this doctor has been this understanding has been, he is going into the out of the box understandings. Whenever he is not good with semen care, some cases he's going out of the box understanding. So I think this is really an out of the box understanding, right? Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So now to the cases of very recent cases. Okay. So very recently means 1.5 year back, I had a case which is referred from one of our junior homeopathic doctors. Okay. So her sister-in-law is not able to conceive for the second time. That is what that is what is her complaint. And that sister-in-law and and her husband are also doctors. So they are not able to conceive for the second time. The first child is about 10 years age, and the lady is about close to 30 years only because she conceived very early first time. The lady is about 120 kgs overweight, and but she wanted to conceive. Only symptom, she wanted to conceive at any cost. I wanted to conceive, madam. This is, I wanted to conceive. That's all. So I will go for the allopathic medicine also. I don't want to really remove my medicine. I will take that medicine also. So she has taken that medicine also. But with that medicine, first point, her fertility is being increased, like the maturing. The follicle is not rupturing, and even though after rupturing, she is not able to conceive. Her husband is also erectile dysfunction is there, and everything is there. And she is not able to cut. Then she came to know that she gone to IUI also. That also in failed. So what the gynecologist is saying now? So even if you have good ovulation, that means good egg will be there. And if the rupturing is very good, then the IUI will be successful for you. So better go for that medicine first. That is what the gynecologist tells. So then she came to homeopathy with the reference of my junior doctor. Okay. Then I have told. The only symptom I got, overweight. She wanted to conceive at any cost. She is not good that she is not able to conceive. And she is telling upon her husband also, upon her somebody also. What she says, I want to conceive at any cost. I will do anything for this. Why are you so much interested? Now, this is already second conception. एक बच्ची एक बेटा है 10 साल का. Why are you so much interested? No, madam. People are looking at me. They are thinking that I am not able to conceive. So I need to conceive. So that is what is her non-veg lover and very good dressing is there. So that is what is her point. So what will we give?
Want to prove herself. Naksumika, ma'am.
She doesn't want to prove herself. She wanted to conceive. At any cost, I want to conceive. Yeah, she wanted to prove herself, but proving herself means pehla bacha to hai. There's no need to prove. She wanted it. Desire. She wanted it. That is the case of lachesis. Lachesis 200. So, dear friends, the takeaway point is whenever you feel the cases of lachesis, the infertility cases of lachesis, if you give lachesis, she will definitely conceive. That is the power of lachesis, not the power of our case taking. That is the power of lachesis. Even you prefer lachesis in other conditions in DUB, they will conceive. One more case of lachesis is there, where there is all other factors are not supporting us, then also they will conceive. That is the power of lachesis. So if you think that it is lachesis, you can easily assure them next month you will conceive, like that. Okay. But this in case, my understanding is not that one. So I have prescribed lachesis and she conceived without IUA and everything. Okay. She conceived. All the delivery went normal. Within 3 months, she conceived. And she has given me 3 or 4 more for infertility cases that also have been successful with me. So they are all happy. So that is not the point understanding here. The understanding in this case is once after the delivery happened, now the beta is in 3rd month or 4th month, she suddenly became so depressed and morose. So what her understanding is, she is not good with her in-laws, her husband, or anybody. She is self what is called guilt or self blaming or self self inferior feeling. This is not the case of lachesis, right? This is not the situation of lachesis. Then why did lachesis help her? That is what is my wonder. Why did lachesis help her? Means she is at the temporary stage of lachesis, but her main condition is not of lachesis. She is a patient of lac caninum. So better understand everybody. If I have given lacanum when she has conceived, and for her conception, if I have understood the lacanum and I have given lacanum, it won't help. That just won't help, and it will go into compensation. And that means it is very much under her allopathy work also will not help her then. So better go for the phenotype and genotype in predictive homeopathy. That means the predictive people will say that is a phenotype and genotype. What we Hahnemann people will say the outer layer, the inner layer, the PQRS remedies like that. So the PQRS was lacusis at that time. It has helped her. Immediately after the lacusis, her constitution has broke down, and that is what is lacanum. Tenem potency simply cleaned her for 1 year, and after 1 year again, recently after 1 month before, she came again with the same symptoms. Again, lacanum tenem has been prescribed for her, and she is once again she is normal. Okay, so that is the understanding. That means the
Why
later
lacanum, ma'am? Why lacanum?
her condition is about lacanum. She's telling the master slave component. Her husband is not doing good, and
No,
with
which
her,
one? That lacusis case, huh?
yes, lacusis case.
Follow well also
Yeah.
lacanum. Lacusis,
Yes.
for lacusis, follow well lacanum
Followed by
actually.
lacanum is there, and lycopodium is also
Yes.
a good,
Lycopodium also follow well, yes. Yes.
good follow well of lacusis. Generally, in mental cases,
Yes.
in the sphere of mind,
Right and left,
in the
yes.
in the sphere
Mind.
of mind, lacusis and lycopodium go hand in hand. So
Go
that is
hand in
our
hand.
understanding, Hahnemann understanding. सेंसेशन वाले एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेंगे, प्रेडिक्टिव वाले तो जरूर एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेंगे ये पॉइंट को. So this is our Hahnemann point. So I have treated a case of mental depression, aggressiveness, angry, whatever it is, and what is called schizophrenia case. First I have given lacusis 10 and water dose, millismol doses. He is quite well. His sleep has improved. Everything has improved, but he is still not like better. Then I have followed it with lycopodium millismol, and he is completely better after that. That I have learned at that time only, in that case, lycopodium and lacusis. Because I got after repetrization, I got lacusis and lycopodium in first and second places. So first I have given lacusis, and then I followed with lycopodium, simply like that. So those two are like here lacusis and lacanum have been given to that lady. So always think about the state remedies also, and also the constitutional remedies. So when to give the constitution, so always go through the follow-up very clearly. So that is one case. And the other case is about gossypium case only, where the patient is having thready menstruation. She is also showing me the menstruation picture, and the thready menstruation, very scanty, very with pain abdomen, and all the trademark of gossypium. And she is from Madhya Pradesh, Indore. So she came to me. She settled in Indore. So she came to me from Indore online, and 2 to 3 doses of gossypium. First, I have given natrum mediaticum to settle the depression issue, because she is completely depressed. She has already had 3 abortions, 1 live birth, 1 stillbirth is there. So I wanted to start the case with Sepia tenem. So by default, I have given Sepia tenem. Cipilinum tenem, not Sepia, sorry, Cipilinum tenem. Then followed with Natramur 1M because of her depression. Then the depression is cleared. Then the gossypium has been prescribed, seeing about the menstrual condition. And then in the 3rd month or 4th month, she conceived. Within 3 to 4 months, not long than that, during the COVID time only. So after that also, she is having very good health, nothing to worry till now. So that is one more case of conception. Okay. So now we will go with the case of adenomyosis. Okay. Okay. Are we done with cases of infertility, or still more cases you want to? So I think we are done with the cases of infertility. So you are having an idea how to deal and how homeopathy is so much potential for infertility, right? So now we
Only
will
thing
deal
you
with
can
it.
go little slow, ma'am. Little slow, ma'am.
Okay.
You
No.
No,
My
not
language.
that way. I'm telling you, not that way. Like 1 hour, 1:15, then next day continuation. Like that.
Oh, am I giving more information in one session?
No, at the stretch you go with 2 hours. No, so many things
Oh.
goes into mind and some things goes out also.
Oh, okay. Dr. Pungreli madam is telling that we will rewind, madam. Okay. We will watch the replay or something. Okay, that is also good, madam. But I wanted to wind up all this topic by tomorrow. So the other doctors are also waiting with good topics. So that is why I wanted to give an outer line understanding of all infertility. That is why I'm going a little bit fast. Okay. Okay.
Because
So-
why, this is a very good topic for us female, no? So much scope is there. And everybody
Yes.
land up into this only PCOS,
Yes.
diabetes,
Yes. Yes.
or
Yes.
thyroid, everything. You dig
Yes,
into
yes,
this,
yes, yes.
there is a infertility
Yes.
case. Each
Yes,
and
yes,
everyone comes with the infertility case
That is
only.
why
So
the male
we
doctor
have
who
a
has
scope
given Yes, yes.
wide
The
scope,
male
females,
doctor
females.
who have given me cases yesterday, he said that if each female passing out homeopathy, if each female homeopath who is passing out from the college practices, because no females are 70% of females are not practicing. So if each female is practicing, all the infertility clinics will be shut down. That's all. Everybody will come to homeopathy.
Yes, I
only.
agree.
That
I
is what
agree.
is his.
I
That is what
agree.
is his expression. So all
And
the
now,
males are that much
one more
worried.
thing, in the advertisement column when we are putting, male doctors, they are not putting their name. They are just putting the clinic name and
Yes,
putting
exactly.
down to that infertility, PCOS, diabetes, all those information they are putting. And
Yes,
they are
yes, yes.
keeping females under them for work. For
Yes,
this
yes,
only.
yes, yes. Every corporate will be doing that one. So I
Not
want to
only
give
corporate,
some.
clinics also.
Yes. So I want to give some takeaway points out of all of our infertility session. Okay, summary. I want to give some summary. So after that, I will give you the adenomyosis case. So first, I want to give you some summary. Okay. So what is the conclusion from with all of our infertility cases now? What could be the conclusion? Can anybody tell about? So we have come for the end of our infertility session. After that, we will be going for DOD sessions, and tomorrow I will be giving about the theory of all these, how to take infertility case or anything like that. Male infertility, female infertility, that we will discuss tomorrow or today for some time. Okay. So now I would like to know what are all the conclusion points or the takeaway points with all of our 2 weeks session in infertility or DUB or infertility intervention. So let me know. Each one of you unmute your mic and let me know 2 to 3 points. I will be
Yeah,
happy. Yes, Dr. Jayanti.
Case taking is very important, and even pathologically reports are also important. The study of pathological reports are also important, so that you can specify what is less and what is more according to, like example, FSH hai,
Yes. Yeah,
whatever the
exactly.
pathology needs.
Absolutely. So
So
this
all
is
that
what
is
is my
important.
intention. My intention is also that you need to give importance to each and every point.
Yeah,
Okay. And
so
anything
the
more?
plan of
Mm.
And so the plan of treatment can be decided ki we have to study and what are the other remedies coming in, so that we can just note it down in the paper in the corner side.
Okay.
So and
So
so
along with
medicine
the
can be given.
constitutional symptoms, lab symptoms are also should be taken. That is what is your
Yes,
takeaway
yes.
point, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
And anything more?
We can
Anyone?
decide psychotic miasms also. Yeah.
Miasms are also very necessary. Yes.
Yes,
Mm.
important.
Mm.
That's
And
all, ma'am.
yes, that's very good, Jayanti.
And
So you have taken it
reports
in
are
very
very
correct.
important. Reports are
Yeah,
very
reports means
important to the study.
investigations. Yes, that is what
Yeah,
lab investigations are also very important.
Yeah.
So that is really a very good point. Yes,
Yes,
Dr.
thank
Pungurali
you.
madam, equipped with all and everything. Yes, that is very much right. And yeah, any other person, not any other, please unmute each one and one after the other. Then 13 people are there, 17. Yes, Dr. Angeline.
Treating constitutionally alone will not help. We can treat pathologically also according to the symptoms or with the reports. For PCOS,
That is
for
what Dr. Jayanti
cyst.
has explained. Any other
Yeah.
point? Any other point? Any other addition to that? What did you
Observation
learn?
is important, ma'am. Observation of the patient. Like you
No,
told.
Jayanti, please mute. Please mute.
Yeah,
Your
okay.
session is over. No, we will give chance to others. You are right. Let them also have some points to tell. All points, if you only tell means papam, they don't have any other points. Okay.
We should read
So,
more books so that
yes.
we will have some knowledge. According to this Farrington, we had new idea regarding this chlorin. inhalation of
Yes,
chloral.
yes.
So
Yes,
we'll
yes,
get
yes.
more idea by reading the books
Hmm,
of different
that
masters.
yes, yes, yes. That is really a good point, Dr. Angeline. Congratulations, you got some point. Yes. Any other doctor? Next. Who is the next? Who is next to tell?
We have to
13 people are
consider
there,
the
madam. 13 minutes I will give. Hmm.
we have
Yes,
to
Dr.
consider
Saujanya.
the general points like the community which they belong, the place which they live, and their profession,
Hmm.
and the circumstances.
Yes, yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes.
the
That is
basic
really a good point. Huh?
uh, basic needs like, and
Yes. Hmm.
some tips like for AMH low,
Hmm.
puja is
Hmm. Hmm.
it
One more
is
drug I
helping
have
you.
told for AMH low. What is that one? One more specific I have told.
I remember
In the
puja.
first day only, because I have given Tuja, at that time only I have told one rare remedy. Can anyone?
Magnet is Polish.
Yes, 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 yes. You are right. You are right. So
Yeah.
magnetis polyambis also we can try for AMH low.
Yeah.
When I have given this, I don't know about that remedy. That is why I did not try that one. Afterwards, my learning came to that remedy. Okay. Yes, 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 Dr. Saujanya, you are absolutely right. And any other? So Dr. Saujanya added about the community learning, and Angeline added about the mathematical learning. Jayanti madam added about the investigations and also the constitutional symptoms. What more? Any other point you need to add?
We should
Uh,
know pathology, physiology, and when to give which remedy, when to give in which stage of the pathology. In the case, we came to know, ma'am, from all these cases, and
yes,
uh,
yes.
and whatever they literally what they say on the face value, we shouldn't take. We have to dig the whole history, like family, may past history, entire
Yes,
thing.
yes, yes.
If possible, we
Mm,
have to dig.
yes, yes, yes. This is Mrudula, right?
Swarna.
Swarna, Swarna. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Okay. And
Exploring emotional blocks.
emotional block. That is very good, correct. Where did you come across with this emotional block, madam? Which case?
I did not remember the cases, but
No, you have told generally, right?
no. Based upon your cases only, but
Hmm.
exact which case
Because
yesterday.
I don't remember selling about emotional block in these cases. That is
Emotional
why I wanted to know.
emotional journey, even the emotional journey.
Yes, yes.
Uh,
Journey of emotion is right, correct.
is a
Yes.
last case that brother jealousy of the brother,
Yeah. Yes, 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 yes.
like that emotions. The overruling emotions are less emotions or no
Yes, yes,
interest,
yes.
like that.
Okay. Emotional journey also need to be taken. Yes, Dr. Ruchi, right?
Rohini ma'am.
Rohini. Okay, okay, Rohini. So Rohini added that emotional journey also to be taken. Yes, she is very right. And what more point you will add? This much. Now I have some कितना कितने पॉइंट्स है पता है कंक्लूजन में 25 पॉइंट्स फॉर माय थीसिस दैट इज व्हाट इज कंक्लूजन और भी थिंक कर सकते हैं आप आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स भी आई एम नॉट आस्किंग ओनली अबाउट द प्रिस्क्रिप्शंस व्हाट डिड यू लर्न फ्रॉम these infertility sessions I'm not asking only about the prescriptions you can think more didn't you learn about materia medica yes who is that hand raising yeah madam you can tell
Yeah, we have learned more about how to use the no sodes and SAR codes.
And also you have learnt about the materia medica of those indications of the drugs
Yeah.
also, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that is one point. How to use and what to use, when to use or what to use. Which remedy, because the materia medica is you have learnt also. That is also one point, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So any other inputs? Any other? Yes, madam. What is that? Many remedies. Yes, yes, yes. Many remedies you have learned. That is also one correct point. And
Literature
any
of
other?
lesser writings, ma'am.
Yes, that is also one correct thing. And
Source books.
Rare remedies, some of the rare remedies also we learn.
yes, yes. Yes, the rare remedies also you have learnt about, and when to use the rare remedies, and when to use them in which potency, and actually when how many days you need to use. All these you have learnt, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, doctor, who is hand raised is there for the same, or you do have any other point? You can unmute.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, just it's a doubt. Like you have told that atrophy of mammary, there is a conflict, and how do we know for like conflict to dig that history more? How do we come to know for that? I don't know. So that is the question. Like how can we come to know about that? Where can we
What
read
are
about
the
that?
conflicts? What
Yeah.
are the conflicts? What to do know? This is the
Yes.
$1 million question. I'm thinking that why everybody is not asking this question so far. And now you have cracked. I'm so happy. And nobody has told so far that you have learnt so many conflicts, right? You have already learnt the conflicts, no? Many conflicts also have come here.
Yes, ma'am.
The conflicts are generally learned from the predictive module, madam. But it is in GNM. Actually, it is German New Medicine, GNM. Okay,
Okay.
and that is a homeopathy doctor only. And when I think who is the doctor? Hearing now. Oh, I did forgot his name. His name also starts from H, and his Hammer's theory. Thank you, Doctor Rachana. Hammer. And he also his birthday also falls on April 10th or something, and he also died in the same year of Hanuman. No, both of the death years are same, I think, not birthdays. He is also a good follower of Hanuman, and he is a good homeopath. What happened? He saw his son has been dead in a car accident here before his eyes. So he is generally in shock. After that shock, few months after that shock, he developed cancer in prostate. So, what generally we will take as ailments from depression
Grief.
or ailments grief. It is not answering the question. So, first, what he thought, why did I develop cancer in the first place? Because it is the most syphilitic and most this one. And why did I develop it in prostate gland? Prostate is my male reproductive. That is what his understanding goes. Then he started digging and digging and digging. Then he came to know that his child means his son is a male fellow, and he started some theory for that. But that in that conflict, the prostate will be affected like that. Some theory he has done, but who will believe that one? Nobody will believe in stories, right? Then he started digging the MRI reports. He has taken his MRI report and saw a spot in the brain, which spot will be controlling the prostate, has an impact there, has a point there. That is why the prostate has been affected. And since it is the child has dead, that means if nothing is there and it is ho gaya, something, that is why cancer has been coming to the prostate. Not prostatitis or not prostatic enlargement or not prostatic hypertrophy, nothing. Directly malignancy have set in. Then he started digging All other MRIs like that. Each and every person's MRI, depending on their conflict, has one impact on the particular site where that was organ is controlled in the brain. Their conflict is in the dynamic plane, in the vital force, but one impact is seen in the brain. That is nothing but proving of vital force, right? Vital force has been proved. So in that way, so he had mentioned so many conflicts, and but and he has had a very good study, the German new medicine. इतना ज्यादा होता है, पूरा होम्योपैथी जैसा होता है. At one point of time, we have learned all modules of German new medicine. We wanted to practice it with homeopathy side by side also. But somehow I could not go far depth in that one. I stayed at conflict level only because these conflicts are much helping with me. I don't want to go away from homeopathy. So these conflicts are very much helping me. So I stopped here. There is a website also, German New Medicine. You can dig and you can know each and every conflict. But that will be a very vast Metamedica in the YouTube. You can have all the conflicts. But why do we believe in him? Why do we believe in him? So Vedas, our Indian scriptures, Vedas, the Puranas, the Itihasas, everything have related the conflicts like this only. Everything. So it is nothing new for an Indian community or nothing new for an Indian Vedic philosophy. It is seen there from. But in between, the allopaths have forgot that one. The Ayurvedic practitioners still have conflicts in their mind. That means they do follow the conflicts also. And if at all you listen to our grandmother stories or more great grandmother stories, their stories will generally go like this only. Because he did a papam, na, that is why his hands are gone. Because he did a papam, like he did a sin. He did a sin, like he had cut with that bird with two knives, na? So that is why his hands are cut. Why? Because he did sin with the hands, that is why hands are gone. He did sin with legs, that is why legs are gone. He did sin with mind, that is why his mind has gone. Something like related stories our great grandmothers used to tell us. Right? Everybody will agree? That is how the conflicts are seen. And if you read the conflicts now, you will feel that, oh, these are nothing new to us. हाँ ना, ऐसा ही होता है ना, ऐसा सोचते. Because the arthritis, the osteoarthritis. What is osteoarthritis conflict? We'll see obese people. We'll see people climbing the stairs. People say that, I can climb the stair, madam, nothing. My knees are very good. Why? Even with obese people, why they are not getting osteoarthritis? Why they are able to climb? Because they don't have the conflict. Unless until you get the conflict, only one disease will come outside. Otherwise, no disease will come outside. What is conflict? The vital force has been suffering with that conflict since so long. That is why the vital force is asking us to clear the conflict. That is why it is throwing the symptoms in that particular organs. We should be so much clever in mind so that we need know. And the vital force has thrown osteoarthritis. You need to check why osteoarthritis has come to me. Don't go directly to the knees and apply something or give something. First grade, second grade, nothing. We are homeopaths. We should intend why osteoarthritis has come to us in the first place. Why it will come? Osteoarthritis will be coming in the knees. What are knees to us? Knees are our knees are, with the help of knees, we will be able to walk well. We will be able to walk and fold and sit and walk. Why do we walk generally? Why would any person would walk? Let me know. He can sit at a place now. Why would any person would walk? Make it fast. Why is there a need for walking? Why would any animal should walk?
Mobility.
Survive mobility.
Why mobility is necessary?
Basic needs.
What are those?
Food,
Protection.
shelter.
The trees are not moving. They are having everything. Why would we move?
For protection also to
To earn money for the basic needs. That is what we need to know. Animal moves in hunting to get the food. Animal moves to get reproductive. That's all. Why a human being moves? To earn money for his livelihood. To earn something. Right? क्या बोलते थे our people बैठ के खाएंगे तो कुछ भी कितना भी हो वो कम हो जाएगा. अगर कितने लोग बैठ के खाएंगे तो पैसे कैसे आएंगे? एक तो रोज ऐसे बैठ के खाएंगे ना, जितना भी जरा दौलत है सभी एक दिन खत्म हो जाएगा. Didn't we hear all these things? That means if we sit and eat means if we are not moving means we can't earn our livelihood. So knee joints are there for us to move and to earn for our livelihood, and that's why we need to survive. That is how we need to survive. Right? So survival in the sphere of finances. That too, not to earn for buildings, not to earn for this or that luxuries. No, we are for basic needs, for survival. So that is why when the basic needs for survival, if a lady is facing financial conflicts for her basic needs, or if she is being stressed there, and if the obesity is also helping her, then osteoarthritis will be setting in. Even if she is not obese also. Thin people also are having with knee joint pains. No? It is not that only obese people will be having knee joint pains, right? The conflict should be there. Unless she is not having conflict, she won't get any problem. That is why we will see all the thyroid symptoms like hair fall, irregular periods, obesity, chilly, dry skin, and acne. Everything we will see, but the lab reports will be normal every time. So no allopath will be giving any thyroid medication, any thyronome for her. But we can interfere with all the thyroid remedies for her because we know that she is a thyroid remedy. Aaj or kal, agar conflict sets in, she will become a thyroid patient. So we need to clear the conflict. So we will be giving some constitutional medicine to her to clear the conflict so that zindagi bhar mein she will not get any thyroid symptom. That is what is homeopathy. That is what is the conflict. Okay. And what is the conflict? For what is we call sciatica, not for sciatica, for low backache, causing sciatica or some other low backache. All the ladies will be telling na low backache, kamar mein dard hai. Kitne sare? Each and every lady will be take kamar mein dard. Our associated symptom will be kamar mein dard, right? LBA, low backache. What could be the conflict for that one? Can anyone? So what is low?
Family.
Lack of support.
Yes, what kind of support? Knee joints are also supporting, na? I have already explained the support for knee joints. Then what is the support issue in low back? Why support? First point.
Stability, insecurity, anything like that?
No, you let me know. What is stability? What is insecurity? Insecurity is mind symptom. Stability is physical symptom. What do you want? Yes, you are right. Support is right. Stability is right.
Daily chores. For daily chores.
No, not for daily chores. What is hip joint to us? दोनों hip joints में pain आता है ना, in between the vertebrae is there. That is why low back is coming, right? It could be the pain in the hips, or it could be pain in the vertebrae, or it could be pain in the tailbone, something like that, right? So what is the low back for us? What is low back? अगर हमारे बॉडी में लो बैक का पोर्शन नहीं रहा तो क्या होगा? बैलेंस क्या जी, सपोर्ट ही नहीं होगा. अगर लो बैक नहीं है तो पैर कैसे होंगे? पूरा जिंदगी बेड के ऊपर रहना है.
Okay, half body.
What is this? Half body is there, na? How would the legs are there? So what is low back for us? To make us stand good, the stability. Even if knee joint pains are there, low back is not there, she can sit and stand, right? She can do her daily chores. So knee joints are only for financial instability. But what is this low back? Low back is complete support. What is that support now? It is the emotional support. लो बैक नहीं है तो कुछ भी नहीं है, इमोशनल सपोर्ट नहीं है तो कुछ भी नहीं है, माइंड नहीं है तो कुछ भी नहीं है, राइट? So if she is facing lack of support, because the low back is supporting the whole body, the upper body, the lower body. That means whole body is supported by the low back. पूरे जिंदगी हमारे इमोशंस और माइंड के ऊपर डिपेंड होता है. So दोनों sentences are going parallel, right? So like that, if emotional insecurity is there, if she feels that she is not having support emotionally, she has finances, she has good job, but nobody, her husband is not doing good with her, or her, like that. That is why sepia comes good in the backache, latimore comes good in backache, calicarp comes very good in backache, right? Arnica is there only in the, arnica is there in while sensitized, fear of injuries, right? That is simply sensitive way, but because plants are all sensitive. Bellis is there when injury is done. That means already injury is done. Like that. So the conflict of low back is whenever a girl, when lady says LBA, that is low back ache, you think that if it is in a higher grade, you think that she is not having emotional support continuously. आजकल सभी लेडीज को ऐसा होता ही है. That is why we will having सभी लेडीज LBA बताते रहते, low back ache बताते रहते. What we can do best for them? If the low back ache is the constitutional symptom for them, that means they come with that symptom only, then we will select all these constitutional remedies. Or if the low back ache is an associated remedy, then we will give mother tinctures or 6x triturations for them. Calcium trituration or Nephelium mother tincture. Or if it is with lumbar sciatica, if it goes to lumbar sciatica, how would it come with lumbar sciatica? The vertebrae may be having osteophytes, the sharp pointed things. They are pointing the adjacent nerves from the low back, and wherever the nerve is going, the sciatic nerve, the pain will be going on there. That is called lumbar sciatica. What should we do? We need to just dissolve the osteophytes. That's all. The case will be closed. Nothing to do in that case. Calcarea floor. I have already told. Floricum will be dissolving everything, right? Simple calcarea floor 6 potency. Weeks together, days together. Will clear the case. Will clear the case. That's all. Okay? For elderly persons, cataract also won't set in if they take calcarea floor for longer time. So they will be able to see best. आईने की जरूरत नहीं होगी. Okay, आईनाक की जरूरत नहीं होगी. Like that. Okay, got a point? That is where we will learn conflicts. And there are, for each complaint, we are having one conflict. If you don't know anything of that patient, or if the patient is not expressing anything, does not want to discuss her inside, then you can just take her physical complaints. You can directly ask gunshotly for her. My senior doctor, Dr. Gayatri Devi, has told me a case. So, one girl, 21 years girl or somebody, she came with a leukoderma spot. She is concerned for the spot only. She is not interested to speak more. Very gloomy, very brooding. And her father is attended with her every time. And even she is delivering the menstrual complaints also, he is not going out. Each time mother is not coming. That is one point. That also we need to know. We need to note. Okay. Then, and what happened? Some lab investigation is there for leukoderma. Lost conflict is there. I didn't remember conflict exactly, but doctor has asked now. After a while, she asked her father to go out and sit. After repeated times telling, he went out. Simply she asked, what happened to your boyfriend? That girl looked in surprise. The case is telling leukoderma ka chal rahi hai. Suddenly she asked about her boyfriend. How did you know? Did my father told you? No, nobody has told me. You are coming for this time only for me. Nobody has called. Your investigations are showing like this. This is lost. That means you are having a lost conflict. We homeopaths will be alone. Are you an astrologer? Are you an astronomist? That is what her question is. So, what is the understanding in that case is she is suffering with the lost conflict. She lost her boyfriend. That means he did not die. If he has died, means she may be entering into autoimmune cases like cancer and malignancy. He did not die. She simply left him. That is why leukoderma has come. But the point of leukoderma is becoming pale. Hamna aisa pale. We became very pale after that question, you know. We don't know what to understand. Blank हो गए थे, pale हो गए थे. क्या करना था? Empty हो गए थे. That is the conflict for leukoderma. So she asked her, what is the situation for you when you became pale? Simply. Then first, it is like poking with a needle of her grief balloon. The balloon broke and she broke into tears. She completely revealed the story. What is the story, you know? She is a Hindu lady. Her neighbor is a Muslim family. So these two families are very close since childhood. For everything, there will be close. Ramzan, Dasra, Diwali, milke manate the. So the boy of that Muslim family and this girl started loving each other. लोग भी देख रहे थे भी लोग. So two families don't have any objection to get married for them. So इसलिए वो लोग भी आगे आगे चल रहे थे. But one point of time, when the issue of marriage has come, what the Muslim boy's mother told, how can we marry you? You need to change your Hinduism. हम काफिर को marriage नहीं करते हैं ना. So you need to change your religion. That is the point where she got astonished with surprise. She don't have any answer. She became very pale. इतना प्लेन होगा पेल हो गया था, माइंड वहीं पे रह गया था उसका, ब्लॉक हो गया था माइंड. She came home, she cried, she told everything, everybody, parents और their parents, इनको किसी को भी वो लड़की के ऊपर कुछ भी तकलीफ नहीं है, even though they started being friendly, but this girl could not take that anymore. And she developed whatever she wanted to develop, the grief, dizziness, everything. But her father, and she does not want to lose that boy. That boy what says na, my mother what he said, that is final. अरे इतने दिन मुझसे ऊपर इतना प्यार था, अभी अपने मम्मी के बाद बात बोल रहा है. What is this boy like? That is again depression for her. At the same time, she lost her pet also. Her dog died. What is dog for you? It is my friend, my enemy, my love, my life. Like that she explained. That means loss of life again happened for her. The conflict again became raw with the dog's death. Okay? Even though she got another dog also, she couldn't get back. And easily father is very much good with her because she may commit suicide or something. She's not coming. She's not listening to anybody. She's not going to office. She's just ruining her life. Actually, he doesn't want to come out with all of this. He wanted to come out with only that white patch. So he is attending her. He is not leaving her. That is in turn causing her very trouble. Simple. What could be the drug now? What could be the drug now? Can anyone? This is where I learnt of this drug. Koncham dig slightly more. Dig slightly. The analogues of natrum. The similars of... Yes, Dr. Tara Subha. You have already nailed it. Oh my God, oh my God. You are amazing me day by day, day by day. I should learn from you, Tara. Really. Someday I will call you and I should learn with you. That is acid phos. That is acid phos. Okay? Acid phosphoricum That same symptom in Ignatia, loss of loved ones. Ignatia may death of any people, death of any near people. But acid force may loss of loved ones. And they become extremely weak. They doesn't want to speak at all. So weakness is there seen here, but it is being covered with all the multivitamins. The case is going this way, that way. So she did not complain about weakness, but she is having weakness, and her first complaint is weakness only. Itna weakness I came completely bedridden whenever she has got into that conflict. Okay? Yes, doctor. Whoever have raised their hand can unmute and let me know. Yes, doctor. Somebody has raised their hand. So you can unmute and let me know what is your query. Okay. So I'll be continuing now. Okay. So that is the Sandhya. Okay. Maybe she is not a technical problem. So that is where madam, our senior madam, simply given acid phos 200, 3 doses or 4 doses. The girl got into her feeds and she is completely indulged in her software work in MNC. She is lively, bubbly, because Phosphorus is a bubbly girl, right? Lively girl, smiling girl. She wants everybody. Phosphorus wants recognition within the family. They'll become good organizers. If you want to organize a function, you want that lively person, ना? सबसे बात करने वाला, सबसे जाके मम्मी जी और ग्रैंड मदर और आंटी और बेटा, ऐसे सबको रिलेशन से पुकारना और सबके ऊपर जाके सबकी कंप्लेंट्स को करना, ऐसे वाले दे विल बिकम गुड ऑर्गेनाइजर्स. So that is why good team members. That is why good with people. Phosphorus is good with people person. That is acid phos. Acid phos means that condition of phosphorus has gone down. Gitna gone down, she became weak, and all the acids are all wear and torn, worn and torn remedies, right? In that plane, it has been worn out. That is why acid phos is given, and the rubric of acid phos is loss of loved ones is there. So that is the main rubric for acid phos. So in that way, acid phos is given. How did the case has been cut? Because of that conflict. Leukoderma is seen means she have become pale. That's all. At some point of time, she have become pale. One psoriasis case also, chronic psoriasis case also, like this only, it has been cleared. She has become pale with her with her mother-in-law's behavior. Simply it is cleared and acid phos is given. Psoriasis, acid phos. Great combination, right? And psoriasis has completely decreased. That is where conflicts are very, very, very useful for us. Okay? The urinary bladder conflict, the kidney conflict. किडनी में डक्ट्स के लिए एक कॉन्फ्लिक्ट रहता है, किडनी प्रॉपर के लिए कॉन्फ्लिक्ट रहता है, स्टोन्स के लिए एक कॉन्फ्लिक्ट रहता है, और सीकेडी के लिए एक कॉन्फ्लिक्ट रहता है. मेमोरी ग्लैंड्स में लेफ्ट साइड ब्रेस्ट, राइट साइड ब्रेस्ट, और लेफ्ट साइड और मेमोरी डक्ट्स के लिए कॉन्फ्लिक्ट अलग रहता है, और मेमोरी ग्लैंड के कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स अलग रहते हैं, ऐसा. और लेफ्ट साइड व्हाट इज लेफ्ट फॉर अस? This every Hindu can tell this one. What is left for us? I think Tamilians are little different in this. Left side में कौन रहते हैं? और where will a lady stand to her husband? Right or left?
Husband's left side, right side, ma'am.
Yes.
Mother,
No.
I mean, lady's left side.
No. You are a Tamilian madam.
Yes, ma'am.
Towards
not
the
at all.
husband's left.
Yes. Only the Tamil people will stay right. I don't know this one. Yes, Shakti. Shakti will be the left side because the heart of the person will be Shakti. So that is why Tirupati Balaji also is having on her left-sided heart Lakshmi. Okay, the heart will be the Shakti. So Shakti will be in the left side. Yeah, right-sided Shakti is also there. That is a different concept of the Tamilians. That I will discuss on some other point because I am always worried why Tamilians are staying right side like that. So I have learned that also. So I will let you know on some other time. This is not the appropriate for that. And the left side. So the lady's right side is for the husband. The man's left side is for the wife. If he has complaints in the left side of the body from ऊपर से नीचे तक, then think that he is suffering from his wife or partner. It is partner issues. अगर business partner होगा, वो दोनों बहुत ही जिगरे हैं. Just like a partner means half, ना, just like wife or like that. Then also, if the business partner will do something, means he will be having left-sided complaints. Similarly, the lady will be having right-sided complaints or left-sided. Left-sided means her heart, na? Her heart also will be with her husband. So left-sided will be, right-sided will be for her family. Family in the sense friends, not family, friends. I may be a little confusing in the sides, but one side will be for the family and business and family and friends. The other side will be husband and children. Okay.
Madam, for right-handed person, right side is the partner or business, and left side is the family, like mother or child.
You are absolutely right. Yeah, please continue.
And for a left-sided person, left-handed person, right side is the family, like mother and child, and the left side is the business partner, or like if he is a husband, wife. If she is a for wife, husband.
Yes, exactly, Saujanya. Exactly. Yeah. I think all these are dealt with in predictive, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you so much for my confusion. You have answered very right. Thank you so much. Oh. So one more time now, please. I did not really got into my mind.
See, for right-handed person, even
maybe
if
a
it is
male or female.
Male or a female. For right-handed person, any right side complaint is regarding the if she is a lady, then it is with the husband or work, like profession or business.
That means right-handed side is for partner, right?
Yeah, right-handed side is
all
for
partners, life partner or business partner or work partner, any partner.
Any partner.
Yes, for left hand.
Left side complaints, it is siblings or mother and child.
Siblings, mother, family, everything. Right side is partner, left side is family, right?
Yeah, for right-handed person. And if it is a left-handed person, it is vice versa.
Okay. Right side is partner, left side is family. Because left side heart रहता है, heart में family रहता है. Okay. Because I am little bit family oriented, my sensitivity will be family always. Okay then. So thank you so much, Dr. Saujanya. I think all of you got that one. Okay. So what is the time now? It is already 11. Okay. So we are not take away points there. Okay, Dr. Rachana, shall we wind up now? Yes, Dr. Shruti is not there, Rachana. Her mother is hospitalized or something. She got some acute complaint. So yeah, I have asked about some other moderator also. So they are in Swara Gokul, all of them. They are in Swara workshop with Shekhar Algundigi sir. So they will be back by June 1st only. So no problem. For my sessions, I will be acting as moderator. For other sessions, we will check one more person tomorrow. Okay. Okay. So shall we wind up or any other questions? So I will tell the conclusion points tomorrow for this session. The 25 points are there, and about other cases, and also about the theory tomorrow. And tomorrow will be the open or doubts are open platform also, only regarding the current topic, and anybody can raise their hand and ask their questions tomorrow. Okay. Today we will wind up, because as Dr. Sripriya has told, we should not go for long sessions. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, doctors.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
Okay, so with this, I think we should wind up. So thank you so much, everyone, for joining and staying with us for so long. And thank you, Padmaja ma'am. The whole series was very, very informative, and it was so much learning for all of us. We learned so much, and today it was also summarized the points the takeaway points. So thank you so much for everything. And we will meet again tomorrow
My
for
pleasure. My pleasure. Tomorrow is our last session in this topic. Okay.
yes.
So if at all we missed any topics, we will have after a while we will have. Okay. Because other doctors are also waiting with good topics to share. We will do that one. Okay then. Okay. Okay.
Okay, thank you so much. Good night, everyone.
Good night. Good night. Good night.